Hi, this is Stephanie Hansen with the Makers of Minnesota. I am known for suggesting local products and highlighting Minnesota companies through my networks. I utilize my personal assets with stephaniesdish.com and the Makers of Minnesota podcast to help amplify brands. If you'd like to take that experience a little bit further, I would love to help you. The way we can do that is through social media management, where I help you with your Facebook and your Instagram posts. So many of the entrepreneurs that I know just hate doing social media, and I love it. I can also help you with PR, publicity, getting the word out about your products. Maybe you need some recipe development, or maybe you need someone that can help you find some influencers that will actually move the needle on getting your product bought. You can find me at shansenmarketing@gmail.com. That's shansenmarketing@gmail.com if you want to explore ways to amplify your brand in 2021. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Makers of Minnesota. I'm Stephanie Hansen, talking to cool people doing cool things. And on occasion, we get a chance to catch up with makers when cool things have happened to them. And I'm here with Anastasia and DJ Pochetti. And you guys are with Lost Capital Foods. And you cracked me up because I talked to you during the pandemic, and you both are like trying to launch this business. And I know Anastasia is also had just had a baby. You guys have a lot going on. And Lost Capital is going to be with me this weekend at the Stone Arch Festival. So I'm pretty excited about that you're getting out and about. It must feel weird to be like going out and sampling with people, huh?
Oh, it certainly is. It feels like it's been a long time. 15 months. We've still been getting to do some markets, but with how held back everything was and not getting to have people try your products, it's going to be awesome. It's a really refreshing thing to get out there this weekend, let people try stuff, see everyone's lower half of their face kind of thing.
Well, and it must be so hard too to, like, hot sauce is just such a personal taste, and you've got so many flavors. To get out there and say, hey, do you want to buy my hot sauce without people trying it? I bet that's hard.
I think it was a little bit of a limitation at first. You get better and better at explaining like all of the like tasting notes to people as well. I think in some ways it's made us even better at kind of describing what we do and how we do it.
Yeah. So that's excellent. So you guys sent me a note, or I guess I got a press release that you had won recognition at something called Zest Fest that you just participated in. Tell me about that.
Zest Fest is like a kind of convention celebration of zesty, spicy, flavorful foods in Irving, Texas, which is just west of Dallas. Do it every year. It's a beautiful building, the Irving Convention Center, and it's kind of like the best in the industry. Leaders of salsa and hot sauce industry, chef demos. We entered our lineup of products in. It was kind of pushed back. It was supposed to be held in January. And kind of just kept getting pushed back, of course, because of, public health reasons. We finally get to go down there. We enter our lineup of products and just kind of hoping that maybe we get to hear our name called for one of them. And I went down myself. Anastasia stayed here for childcare, of course, with a toddler. We wanted to scope things out and then maybe go down and table at the convention next year. To go down this year and find out not one product got recognized with an award, but 5 of the 9 that we entered got recognized with ribbons. Kind of a surreal thing.
When you win something like that, how does that get communicated into sales, or does it?
I think it's really up to us to communicate it into sales. We will be applying like little silver medals onto all of our products that won. So if you come see us at the Stone Arch Festival or at any of our markets at East Isles or Mill City, we're going to make it as clear as possible which of those products, the hot honey and the hot mustard, and which of our hot sauces kind of took awards at this competition. It's really kind of a high honor. For sure.
You're going to be sticking silver medals on all of your products in your downtime at any of these events, or like it's going to be Sunday Father's Day and DJ's going to be like, oh, I'm putting the stickers on.
Yep. I'll be out there in my trophy husband t-shirt applying silver medal stickers to all of our stuff.
This is kind of a weird question, but like I go to Sea Salt sometimes and they have all the hot sauces out on the counter. And a lot of places carry Crybaby Craig's, and there's a lot of great hot sauces in the Twin Cities. Is being on like a restaurant table exciting for you, or does that happen?
Very much so. We just started getting invited to these types of situations. We have some collaborations with local chefs and local restaurants coming up. Being only refrigerated probiotic hot sauce was something that was a barrier for us. We had just transitioned a few of our recipes, like our best sellers. We now have shelf stable versions of, so we're starting to see them a little more widespread, more markets across the state, some supermarkets, and it gives us the ability to be on tables at some restaurants as well. It's a really high honor. We're first and foremost big fans of other people's cooking, even before our own. So to see and hear that other people like the product enough that they're willing to put it out for their customers is a big deal for us.
Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. What else are you guys excited about coming up?
We've actually been adding our retail accounts lately. We now are in Sierra Trading Post, which means we are truly a national brand, which was huge for us. Luke is very excited about that.
Yes.
And we have our mustards in Lunds and Byerly's, which I think we were just working on when we spoke to you last. So those are two really big changes. With the move to some shelf-stable products, that was tricky for us, not losing the fact that we use raw and fermented ingredients and not wanting to lose the flavor by cooking it. DJ got really creative with the process to allow it to be that way, which is better for the customer because it allows for a longer shelf life while retaining that awesome flavor. That does mean that we have been able to add some of these new accounts, and that's continuing to grow, which means not just around Minnesota, but definitely locally, more and more customers have access to it. They don't just have to get to us at our farmers markets, although that's still a great way to come see us and actually get to meet us as well.
It is. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys this weekend. Thanks for getting us caught up, and we'll see you at Stone Arch.
Awesome. Can't wait. Thanks for having us.
All right, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.